watu watakuja.
Take your seat, Navulindo. Give Kitutu.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to support this report.
You have a minute.
I want to support this report on the sugar because in Nyanza region, sugar sector is our coffee, is our tea, and it's our goal. So this report, I want to support it fully because there are cartels who have been in this sector who have managed to make sure that our farmers are not paid well. And I want to support it because our farmers from now henceforth, they are going to get their dues and they are going to make sure that their kids go to school well and they get back their money. To the cartels, as they say, mambo ni matatu. Either you go to heaven or you go to jail or you go somewhere else. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Makoha Odanga.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I support this report.
You have a minute.
And it is good that government pulls out of businesses because we know government to be a very poor businessman. Mr. Speaker, lease model is being recommended, and we heard it from stakeholders. Mr. Speaker, even as we agree to the lease model, proper due diligence must be done because lease is quickly becoming the new model of land grabbing. And Mr. Speaker, Mumias Sugar Company, which is under receivership, should be included in this report. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. This is the time we agreed. So I'll indulge the majority leader. Kimani, how much time do you need for reply? If you have 1 minute, then I'll give majority leader 5 minutes like your counterpart.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And I also join other members except the Honorable Navulindo, who I had opposed this report
Give you a minute.
in supporting